Oi, tudo bem? Aqui é a Luciana da Street Smart Brazil. So today I want to show you a very useful word that we use a lot, correria. And pronunciation tips, see when you have the two R's, the double R in Portuguese sounds like the H in English. So let me read this word again, correria. Correria means rushing around, a scramble. It's related to time, to being in a hurry, but it does also have that idea of a busy life. You're in the middle of this busyness where you're doing many things at the same time and you're rushing from one task to another. That's the sense in which we use this word in a daily basis. And here is a synonym, corre-corre. It means the same thing. So I can say a correria, I can say o corre-corre. Here's an example using the word. Imagine that you're super busy, you're doing so many things at the same time, you're having this really busy day where you feel in a rush, and your friend Anna calls you like 3 times, right? But you get the phone and just say, desculpa Ana, eu tô numa correria enorme, não posso falar agora, te ligo depois. I'll read it again. Desculpa, Ana. Eu tô numa correria enorme. Não posso falar agora. Te ligo depois. I can use corre-corre in exactly the same way as I use correria. I just have to remember it's a masculine word. Que correria. Que corre-corre. So we often express our frustration with how busy life is like this. Que correria. Que corre-corre. I want to ask you to take 1 second to like the lesson. It does mean a lot to me. Muito obrigada. We offer one-on-one Portuguese lessons via Skype, so you can learn from anywhere, you can learn from your own home, and you will have your private Street Smart Brazil tutor on the webcam speaking with you in real time. You can visit streetsmartbrazil.com, book a trial lesson to see how well it works. Muito obrigada for watching this video. Tchau, tchau.